Hello everyone, I have two exciting products from NR to help you earn some money and can help your customers. The first one is an ozone generator. It sterilizes the airborne germs and virus inside a car. The second one is an UVCA light bar. It helps customers to get rid of germs and virus attached on the seats and carpet. Okay, let me get the ozone generator and the UVCA light bars ready. Let me turn on the ozone generator by pressing the power button for 3 seconds so that the blue light is blinking. This is called the continuous mode. I'll then press the power button one more time to make the blue light solid and no more blinking now. This is called the manual mode. However, it takes about 40 minutes to get it shut off by itself, but normally, sanitizing a vehicle only takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Let me first put the ozone generator on the armrest located at the center of the car. I will then turn on the light bars by pressing the power button for 3 seconds until the blue light is blinking as well. And I'm also going to turn on the second light bars too. I will put a light bar on the seats while the other one on the carpet. This way, I'm sure that all areas are sterilized thoroughly. So close the door and let the sanitization begin. After 4 minutes of sanitization, rear seats and carpet are all sanitized properly. Next, I'll put the light bars to sanitize the front areas. One light bar is put at the center of both seats, while another one is put on the carpet on the driver's side. Again, just wait for the blue light bulbs to turn on. Sanitization process begins after the door is closed. 4 minutes have passed. I'll put a light bar on the carpet of front passenger seat. The other one is put behind front windshield area with lights facing to the rear of the car. This can make sure that all upper and front areas are to be sanitized. Close the door and wait for 4 minutes. Finally, I will sanitize the trunk. Even though this SUV has an open area to the trunk, the back seat may block the sanitization. After all, the trunk area is usually the dirtiest place, and sanitizing here is very important. This time, I will put a light bar with the ozone generator together in the trunk area. I can also put another light bar in the area behind the back seats, with the light facing to the front. Again, close the door and let the sanitization begin. After all areas are sterilized, I can manually turn off the ozone generator and the UVCA light bars. All I need to do is to hold the power button until the lights are off. I'll do the same thing on the second light bar. As a reminder, I have used these two products, namely portable UVCA light bar and the ozone generator, which are sold by NR Global Inspiration. If your customers are interested in buying these products after the sanitization service is done, please contact me and I'll arrange for delivery.